I've been working on the front end of my E430 and I came across something that I think you W210 owners might be interested in hearing about. And that was when I went to check the electric fans, I started moving them and I realized, wow, they're making a scraping noise. Well, you need to understand a little bit about the history of this car. Before I got the car, it hit a deer and the deer went up over the hood. And it did dent in the core support, and it got this headlight here, and it did some hood damage. But the previous owner didn't really fix it properly. So I decided, let's pull this electric fan system out. It's really quite easy to remove, by the way. You have to loosen up the core support so you can move the radiator aft, but you remove these two bolts here. And then these two pieces are just slid into some slots down low below the radiator. But this is what's really interesting. If you haven't seen this before, a lot of these older Mercedes, you know, had two fan motors. This one only has one motor right here, and look at what happens when that one turns. See the other one? Isn't that clever? When you flip it over, it's kind of like a washing machine. It has a little belt drive. So first off, if you get in there and you spin the larger motor and this one doesn't turn on your W210, you're going to know right away that it's a failed belt. You got another little belt you got to be concerned about there. But the problem I was having was when the deer hit the hood or the car hit the deer, this got bent just a little bit, just enough, put a little bow in it, that these were rubbing on the sides. And the fans are really easy to remove. You have three nuts here, they both drop out. You remove the belt. And what I did is I got this on the bench with some blocks of wood, and I had to, you know, using a block of wood and a hammer, I had to sight down and straighten this all out. And once I had the frame, it's a very lightweight frame. Once I had the frame all straightened out, I was able to reinstall the motor and the other fan and put this little sewing machine belt back on, and it's ready to go. So you can see the test is just spin that. It shouldn't be making any kind of scratching or scraping noise at all.